Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Tiffany, and thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new here, I'd appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for keeping up with me because you know that I have been MIA for so long. Today you're going to be spending a beach day with me. I'm taking my daughter to the beach. So we're just going to be vlogging today and you're going to Una go come with me. Una go enjoy the day with me. I say all of what we do, all of the enjoyments, all of the vibes, all of the things them. Alright? So let's go. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So let's go. You say I mommy? She said I. She said I. Say I back, you know. Una say I back. Alright. So I am at Frenchman's Cove. I don't know who tell me say me can vlog with a child. No, work out at all. It's not working out. But let's see. Let's see if we reach somewhere. Yeah, my soon come. So the first thing is I am going to eat my KFC. I bought me a zinger, a barbecue zinger. So I'm going to eat that and then I'm going to be taking my child in the water. So hopefully we get somewhere. I'm going to be showing you the scenery soon. Yeah. As you can see, I got my ear done. Ignore the bumper right here, so my husband love me. I have people who love me, right? Um, but you know about We're gonna be spending a couple of days with me and my friend Shanoy. I have not seen her in years, probably about 3 years. I haven't seen her in about 3 years, and tomorrow is her birthday, and we are going to be celebrating her birthday together. So I'm going to be taking you guys with me to enjoy all the festivities and all of that. So we're going to be staying at an Airbnb. When I get there, I'm going to be showing you guys how our Airbnb look as a fair America. Yeah, because of my friend. And then we will go from there. So I'll see you guys. Oh, I think we're going to be stopping to get food first. But I'll see you guys in the next. birthday. We are at this farm place in the bus in St. Anne. It's called, I think, Jacana Farm Tours. So Shana is doing a farm tour for her birthday. We decided to not pay too much money for go see bush. Yeah, it's one of my type of interest. And I mean, I love adventures, I love tours, I love excursion and so on, but this is not one of my liking. I don't want no farm tour. So I'm just waiting in her car for her to finish the tour, and then we're gonna get something to eat and then head home, sadly. Cause I don't know. I think me and Shana we mesh. Like, we just laugh about everything. Like, yeah. It has always been so, even though we kind of have like a fallout. We're not like a fallout, but I think we just did take a break to kind of work on it ourselves. And yeah, I think that's the case with, I think that has been the case with all of my long-term friendships. Like, there's just a point where we took a break to work on our own self. Yeah. So now we are better. We are back and better, period. Yeah, so I'm just waiting in her car for her to do her tour, because yeah, I would show you guys how the place look, but bush, I don't know, maybe it is selfish because it's not my interest. I just assume it's not yours, but yeah, I'm babysitting my child, but still babysitting. Maybe we could talk about motherhood and you guys keep my company. I will talk about motherhood and how hard it is. Jesus Christ, so hard. But I would not change it for nothing else. Like, I wouldn't trade it for anything. What was I saying? What was I saying? I was saying that motherhood is so hard. Like, I don't think society make mothers comfortable to just be truthful that motherhood is hard. Like, when my husband said, if this baby was ever a twin, motherhood as, like, then if you have a motherhood school where we go pass, like we get a bachelor's degree, we pass it and so, or even prepare, because even if someone would fail, at least we get the experience, we get some like a knowledge, you know, that can make us more better prepared for motherhood. It has been a journey. I wouldn't trade it for the world, but it has been a journey. I've made so many sacrifices. Still making sacrifices for my child, and I would not change it. I would not change it. Like, alright, so this is what it looks like. It's a farm. The name of it, we're going to be looking at the names too. The name is Jacana Farm Tours, I think. Yes, Mama. You're giving them a tour of the place with Mommy. So this is basically like the office area. They have trucks and so on. Over there, I think that's like a, what do they call that too? But they have over this one. This side now they have the farm tour area. Bum, 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 bum. I am the cat in that. And I like to have fun. Over there you have the farm. So each crop is labeled. Now that's, yeah, but I shouldn't people in place pay off if you know I only pay the money I cost. People may get food thanks to Khalil. Big up Khalil. Alright, we soon come back. People, that was so good. Oh my god, that was a good eat. So guys, it's days after. I did not do much in Paradise because yeah, so I did not vlog that. But today we're going to Draxall, to this place called True Fun Play, taking my baby there. So you're gonna come along with me. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Close off this vlog. It was chaotic, maybe all over the place, yes. But what I'm trying to do now, I'm sure this is a make because I gotta make my guys. Yeah, yeah, it's a work. I don't know if my logo is sound, but it's working. All right, it's the kind of clean. But you're closing off this vlog. It was kind of chaotic all over the place, but I have made a lot of vlogs that I end up just deleting because I'm like, I don't like it, or it's not giving the vibe, or it's boring, or it's not, it's not reflecting me. But this year, I decided to stop doing that. I am posting them. Even if I just tell somebody watch them, at least I did not make them for no reason. I made them for the 10 persons that watch. And I know that if it's only 10 persons that watch my vlogs or my videos, I know them laugh like, or they got something motivated, something, sorry, or they got something motivating or something of the sort. So I just decided that this year I am not deleting nothing. I am posting the content because God knows say them not easy to make with a toddler. And tell them one little secret. I have the time. I have the time now to make videos and edit videos and post videos. You might ask, oh, you have the time, Tiffany? That's for another time. But yeah, so I do hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was me getting back into the groove. You realize that when I went to Frenchman school, I did not really vlog anything, to be honest, because it was chaotic. I'm excited to do more vlogs because I enjoy doing this. I said that in a previous video, like I enjoy doing this. It is therapeutic to me, and I don't know. I just feel like it is somewhat aligned with my purpose, and I finally just decided I am going to. Amidst being discouraged at times, and it feels as if it's just going in vain. Yeah, I'm still gonna do it because I like it. I like it, and yeah, that's about that. So I hope you are ready to come with me in this new chapter. I am aiming to post once a week, whether it's a singing video. I am aiming to post once a week, whether it's a singing video or a vlog. I want to kind of interchange them. Like if I post a vlog this week, I post a singing video next week, and all of that to kind of maintain the balance. And I do that. So I do hope that is okay with
you. This vlog was very much short because, as I said, I am adjusting to vlogging with a baby now, and it's an adjustment. You would have seen that if you watched the entire video. When I was in Chennai's car, it was chaotic because you can't do what you want, you have to do what the baby want to do. This new chapter of my life, I am somewhat anticipative as to what God is going to do. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what's coming, but I am I am very anticipative. I guess that's the word I can find. I'm just embracing, you know, as it comes. But I I believe that this is the season for me to really put my contents out there and just be my authentic self and bless people's heart, make people laugh, and just be a light in your life as you be a light in mine, right? Yes, so there's some new things that I am some things that I have basically, how do I say, what's the word? Like, let me just mention, like, even friendships, I I was like, I don't want friends anymore because so it was straight. I was a person like I had a lot of friends, too much at one point, and I just took my mind off the idea of having great friends. Like I never had the desire to have friends anymore. But I am seeing that's changing, and I I am excited about what's to come in that regard, friendships and so on. So as we progress in our videos, our vlogs, you will probably meet new faces, meet new people as I take on this new chapter of my life. I'm just talking because I love doing this. I'm just gonna chat, 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 chat. Yes, but I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for keeping up with me. So this video might not have been a long one, but I'm gonna try to make the next one. Or you can tell me, do you prefer short videos like for vlogs? Do you prefer short vlogs or you prefer long vlogs? I can do the two of them, We can do the two of them. But say in between the long ones we'll have a little chattings because I love chat. Well, I love to talk to you. Yeah, I love to talk to the camera. So yeah. So you just tell me which one you prefer and I am keeping my fingers crossed that I graded this vlog and never really graded I mark, but I am keeping my fingers crossed that the next vlog is going to be, you know, graded. If even get a minus or a B plus. Because I want to get a little C plus, maybe a C plus. Alright, may chat too much. Thank you again for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.